Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
May I know what is your name?
My name is Berna de la Cauta Pablo.
Where do you come from?
From Philippines.
How old are you?
41,
What is your height?
55,
What is your weight?
50.
Are you married or single?
Single.
Okay, do you have overseas working experience?
I have mom.
How many years?
4 years.
Okay, so where?
Here in Singapore.
Okay, may I know what is the name of your employer, first employer?
The first one is Huasai.
Okay, how many members do you serve in your employer's house?
2 adults.
2 adults and then
2 children.
2 children. How old are children?
6 years old and 5 months.
Okay, 6 years old and 5 months. Okay. You also do household cleaning, huh?
Yeah, mom. I
Cooking?
do. Yes.
Okay, and you take care of the baby.
Yes.
Okay, so then second employer, what is the name of your second employer?
Lim Tan.
Lim Tan. You also finish contract?
I finished contract from him. Yes.
Okay, how many members do you serve in your employer's house?
2 adults, 3 children, and 1 elderly.
Okay, how old are the children?
18 and 5 years old.
Okay, 18, 12 years old, and 5 months. Okay, you also take care of baby.
Yeah, and the adult is 67.
The elderly is 67.
Yeah.
Okay. You know how to cook, right?
Yes, mom, I know.
What dishes can you cook? You can cook porridge.
I can cook.
What else?
Vegetables, like that.
Vegetables, okay. Steamed
Meat,
fish.
steamed fish.
Okay,
Like that.
very good. So you know how to operate all kinds of electrical appliances?
I already know, mom.
Okay. So you have friends and relatives in Hong Kong?
No, mom.
Okay. So are you willing to finish your contract in Hong Kong?
Yes, mom.
Okay. So are you prepared to give up some of your off day if your employer willing to compensate you?
Yes, mom.
Are you prefer if the employer will not give you off day during Sunday, it's okay for you?
It's okay, mom.
Okay. So anything else you want to say to your future employer in Hong Kong, huh? You will promise that you will finish your contract?
Yeah, I will promise.
You will do your best?
I will do my best.
You will serve the family, huh?
I will serve and be friendly to them.
Okay, see.
Trustworthy and be honest and respectful.
Okay. Okay, see you there in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.